Hello everybody! This is not a makeup tutorial. Perhaps it's like a recreate a look with me. Ganon. So I will post the photo here or here, wherever. The photo will be here. You'll see it. So that's the look I'm going for. Perhaps maybe an updated one as well. Anyway, let's get to it. So I'm gonna get the bangs out of the way. And then look at me, I'm already oily. I already washed my face, but I'm still oily. So yes, we shall do that. Cleanse. Okay, ano lang to, cotton pad with micellar water. If you're wondering what I use, this is what I use. Okay. Hindi kita yung brand, pero alam niyo na yung bottle. That's the one I use. Okay, as you can see, I have super sensitive oily skin. I break out so fast, like you're not even gonna believe it. Like this one, it's there but it's not yet fully out. It sucks. Anyway, we're just gonna conceal. Conceal, don't feel. Diba? Ano yung, what's the line? Conceal, don't feel. Don't let them know. Diba? I mean, that is the point of makeup, right? Conceal, don't feel. Don't let them know they have flaws or whatever. But who cares what they think? We're doing this for ourselves. Okay, I'm not doing this for Tito O. I'm not doing this for anybody else. I'm doing this because I want to do it, you know? Maybe I need to trim my brow. Whatever. Makeup's gonna cover it. Okay, anyway. Cleansing the face very thoroughly. Okay, guys. Hindi pa pala ako nagpa-foundation because... But, I have the cushion pala. I can use that. Although, it's kind of white. Like... Okay, I got this. I'm not gonna show you the brand again. Because, hello, hindi naman nila ako sponsored, diba? So, bakit ko ipapakita yung brand? Anyway, I got this cushion. So, allegedly, I am supposed to be an ivory because that's how white my face is. Like, on a normal, I guess. So, I got the shade ivory. But it's so freaking white. Like, it's so freaking white. Alam mo yung, alam niyo ba yung Espasol, guys? But although, it's just for the photo. I'm not gonna go out. Like, I just want to recreate the photo. So, you know what? We're gonna Espasol. Or, we're gonna use this, okay? I'm sure. Okay, pakita ko yung brand. Hindi, wag. Vintage na kasi to. This is a vintage powder foundation that I have. Okay, so dalawa siya. One, and then a darker shade on the bottom. So, pag siguro galing ako sa beach, ito yung shade ko. Pero, like, that one also. Anyway, I'm gonna do the cushion instead of this one. But maybe I will use this to conceal. And then I'm just gonna use the cushion one too. Kasi I don't understand how you put the cushion as well. But anyway, I need to... Okay, sabi ng friend ko, I have a makeup artist friend who said, like, the base is just as important as what you put on your... as the makeup you put on. So, I'm gonna do skincare first. Should I oil? I'm gonna try that because I have super oily skin and my friend said, maybe, the reason why it's oily is because it's... nakulangan pa siya, parang ganun. So, anyway, serum. Just so you know. Okay. Serum the face. And then, I'm gonna do oil. Okay, grapeseed oil though, because it's good for... What is it good for? It's good for wrinkles, scars, and stretch marks. And I do have scars from, you know, from acne and all that. So, there. And there. Okay. Ganyan lang. It's oil, so, you know, a little goes a long way. So, I'm just gonna spread that all over my face. So, my problem area is this one, the one This is the one that gets too oily. The T-zone. And then, yeah. Okay. I don't know why I'm talking. I'm just gonna fast forward this anyway. But okay. Okay. Mali mo, diba? It's gonna take me like an hour. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. Anyway. So yeah, still see I have like redness and everything. Magko-cushion tayo. Tingnan natin if it's gonna, you know, have you seen those like TikTok videos promoting a cushion brand? Ganyan. They say like, look at this. Like, oh, this is a test if truly yung mga sinasabi na pinagsasabi nila, or like, you know. So, okay, whatever you have left on your hand, you just massage it para smooth yung face mo, tapos smooth din yung, anyway, rings back on. Okay, we will cushion. We will see if this will work. Okay, dati, nung nagpa-foundation pa ako, I do concealer and then foundation.
I do concealer foundation also.
Yeah, right? So, we shall conceal the thing before we cushion the thing. Okay, so, anyway, merong concealer. Hindi ko na sa inyo papakita, pero, damn, I'm confused. What, this one, I guess, the darkest one. It's been such a long time since I did my face. Like, ooh, is that too white? Yeah, I mean, that is so white, but like, that's fine, I guess. Okay, i-conceal ko lang lahat yung mga parang OA sa pagka redness or pagka brownness, ganyan, like, diba? Conceal. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung bakit I need to do my neck area also, eh. Sa ano naman? Sa photo, ito lang naman yung kita. Hanggang dyan lang. I don't know. Kompletuhin na natin, diba? Kasi like, why not? Anyway. Okay. Kung gusto mo lang, let it like, okay. Sponge na mamasa-masa. Damp kasi. Mamasa-masa. Ano ba yun? Damp. Huwag yung pag-squeeze mo, yung may tubig-tubig pa. That's like wet. This is damp. Okay. So, mamasa-masa is correct. Anyway. Okay. Ayan. So, cushion tayo. I'm so nervous about the cushion because the last time I wore this, legit mukha akong espasol. Like, what the fuck? It's a really nice skin face. Because the thing is, it's kind of waterproof. So, you need, you know, that time, naubusan ako ng micellar water. So, I stole from Emil. Okay. What? Oh, that is white! That is damn white. Like, what the hell? What the? I don't know if you're seeing this, but like, I don't know if it's the light or like, do you see this? Do you see what's happening? Is it white? It's normal for you? Girl, it's white. Does it look normal?
Ganyan lagi sa mirror.
Okay.
Napansin ko rin yun nung new makeup.
So, it looks normal daw. Pero like, di ba? Parang ang scary niya. Like, girl, ang puti. But I guess, sabi naman ni Emil, it doesn't look as crazy as it looks like on, like, mirror. Pag pinatay ko ba yung light? Eh, di wala na akong nakita. Kasi, tanga lang. Okay, kasi, it's my fault. Kasi yung curtains namin ni Tito O, black out. Because I cannot sleep if this, like, I can see the, like, the sun or whatever. So, anyway, I'm gonna, like, do this really quick. I'm gonna try. Ito na yung part na i-fast forward na. Grabe yung puti ko talaga. Girl! It's so white! You know what? It's fine. What the oh my god, it's like so freaking... This is not normal. I don't know if I'm gonna post this because like, what the hell? Like, it's so... Oh, damn. Like, okay, ayusin ko lang yung headband ko kasi parang feeling ko, also, like, maybe, yung mga nandiyan sa mga ano. Or it's just crazy on camera, but it's not as crazy as it is in, like, real life. Do I look super crazy white?
telling you no.
Like, okay. Ano ka lang. Parang ma-make sure lang na medyo ma-blend naman. Oh, ang puti.
Just think that.
I need like, you know what? I need like natural light to see. Because I'm not convinced. Because I like the difference. Look at the damn difference. Anyway, you know what? We need natural light. So I'm gonna take you outside and see. This is natural light. So it's not so bad. It's not super white. So it was the lighting that was like making it look so weird. So yeah, we'll go back to it and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so na-establish na natin na yung ilaw nga lang yun. It's making me look crazy. But like in real life, it's not that crazy at all. Anyway, let's move on. So, I should do eyes first. So, okay na yan. Parang I'm happy with that. Like, let it set on the face.
Bake.
Should I bake?
Well, you're not going out naman, so
I'm not going out, so actually, bakit talaga ng right side is this right side of the face is so problematic? Like this one's the good face, like the good side. I don't know. Anyway, what to do next? Eyes. Eyebrows muna. Actually, let me just bake real quick. Kasi nga, naisip ko, if I don't do the under eye, it's going to crease crazy. I love doing this, by the way. The one like this, under my eye. I always do this. It also brightens kasi. So, diba? Matatago yung mga.
I'm doing it because I've got like big.
I also do the sides of my nose actually. Dito ako nagko-crease eh. Ewan ko, pag malaki yung ilong mo siguro. Or, ewan ko, alam mo yung parang the hook of the nose? Is that what it's called? Like one here? That's the hook of the nose. I look crazy right now on camera. Like, that's crazy. But like, trust the process. This is where the trust the process maybe. And then I also like to do like actually okay naman muna kasi we can't go over the forehead yet because we are gonna do our brows later. So okay, so I think brows muna before, kasi parang if I don't do my brows, let's do my brows first. Okay, ko-concentrate tayo guys kasi, but like I've been doing my brows for so long, I can do it in my sleep. So because it's just for the recreation purposes, I am just gonna use a pencil. So on a regular day, like, saan ba yung sharpener ko? Ayun. On a regular day, if I don't have, like, kunyari mag-grocery lang naman ako. Ganun. Sharpen it. I just use this pencil. Siyempre, naputol siya, guys. Yan o. Naputol siya. Pero, carry lang. Sharpen ulit natin siya. Ganun nangyayari kapag yung pencil nababagsak. Alam niyo yun? Pag nabagsak niyo yung pencil, na parang nasisira yung ano, yung feeling. Oh my gosh, like what is wrong with this sharpener? It's breaking my thing. Oh, something is stuck on it. Hold on, let me just, as you can tell, favorite ko talaga siya kasi I don't even know what brand it is anymore. It's so tiny. But I love this pencil. It's like so reliable. It's not so light. It's not so dark. It's just like, you know, it's perfect. Anyway, let me do my brows. Goldilocks. Okay, that was wood. Still wood. Ugh. Okay. Ang liit na talaga niya. OMG. I'm gonna need to buy it, but it's been so long. I don't know what brand this is. Can you tell what kind of brand it is? Probably Maybelline, no? Probably Maybelline. Or, I don't know. The splinter of the pencil is gonna go into our eye and blind us. So, we have to make sure wala. Mukha namang wala. Okay na. Ang liit niya, ang hirap na. Pero like, we're gonna make it work. So, I read somewhere your brows are supposed to be sisters, but not twin sisters. So, you know. But my left brow is always like the good sister. The other one, siya yung rebelde. Okay. And then, I know it looks crazy, but this is where the magic happens. That's why we have, eyebrow brushes. If I can find it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's black kasi tapos my desk is like gray. Okay, anyway. Brush it out for perfection. Look at that. My eyebrows are amazing. As always. Did you know that, you can tell a lot about the person through their brows? Okay, so if the eyes are the windows to the soul, your eyebrows are the curtains. Charing! May ganun. Saan ko ba narinig yun? Hindi ko alam. Pero I heard it. And I'm like, actually, okay. This brow talaga is not giving. Anyway, ayusin natin siya konti. It like needs a little bit like more lang here. Okay, there we go. And then, a little bit more brushing. Just up. Para lang mag-blend siya and it doesn't look like a Sharpie. You know what I'm talking about? If the eyebrows are like Sharpied on. That's crazy, right? This one talaga is so freaking perfect. This brow. Like, oh my god. That's not my brow pencil. Muntik na yun, guys. Medyo black yun, ha? Okay, so, obviously, yung sa brows ko, hindi siya black. Ano lang. Because my hair is brown, so, your eyebrows are supposed to be 2 shades darker than your hair color. So, kaya, dark brown. Kasi yung hair ko parang caramel brown or whatever. Brown pa din. Basta ganun. Okay, anyway. Brows are browsing. Charing. Tayo masyadong tumatawa kasi nagka-crease yung ano natin. Like, RBF. Strong. Okay. Mamaya na tayo mag-contour. Eyes muna. Okay. So, may guide ako. Sabi, sa brows. Ay, sa eyes pala. Basta tayo sa brows. Sabi, dapat, step 1, medium shade over the eyelid. So, I'm going for green. So, ano yung medium shade natin? I guess we're gonna do brown, diba? Brown and green. Para puno. Charing. So, ang neutral shade natin is like brown. But we're not gonna like do like super brown. So, like maybe like mid shade ng brown is... I'm so blind right now because like... Actually, we're just gonna do like a light shade as well. Parang, okay, I don't have a lot of makeup, but the ones that I do, kasi I use talaga on like, for events and stuff like that. So, hindi masyadong wide yung choices. So, ayoko gumamit ng mga shimmer, because I don't wanna use shimmer for the base. You're supposed to like, medyo matte, or like, oh my gosh. So, I think this shade is perfect. Like, it's kind of creamy-ish, like, or maybe I should just go brown, like brown, like, you know, brown. Okay, sige. Actually, meron binigay yung friend ko sa akin na hindi ko pa nagagamit. So, gamitin natin siya since brown siya. Pero, liquid siya. Again, liquid. Like, okay, liquid. Fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so, don't be afraid. Ay, charing. Okay, don't be afraid to go over the eyelid. Oh, I love this actually. It's so... Oh, wow. Okay, so you're gonna put that all over eyelid. It's looking crazy on cam, but like, it's beautiful in person. Should I just go live for the rest of the thing? What do you think? Should I just live this? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Technically, yung pinaka-base talaga natin is like the, like parang, yung ano, yung cushion, diba? I put it over my eyelids. So, that's technically our like neutral shade. Or, I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. Like, I'm just doing what feels right. Okay. I think that's good. And then maybe I can go over it with like the brown that I was like eyeing a while ago. Where's the brush? This one is the one. So, just like, medyo light lang. Just like, oh, that's beautiful. Parang ma-blend rin yung cream. And then I can maybe go over like medyo dark. Maybe this one. Over the thing. Or even, I can even go darker. Which one? Yeah, that one. Okay, powder over cream. It looks crazy on cam, like, but it's beautiful in the mirror. Okay, anyway. And then, so we're gonna put the green lang. Sa gitna yung green, right? But my problem is, pencil kasi yung green ko. So, you know, I don't know. Okay. Gumagreen ba siya? Hindi siya. Is that green? That looks nothing like green. Okay, now you see fallout right there. We're gonna like wipe it away later. Okay, this is like sea green or whatever. Do I want it over the entirety of my lid, or just, you know, and then I'm gonna smoke it out na lang for the okay. Now I am afraid that if I like blend it, it's just gonna disappear. I look absolutely crazy, you guys. I am aware, but like, again, trust the process. Trust the process. That's our new song. It's fine. We're not going anywhere. This is the one I used, by the way, sa original. I don't know if it's this. Yeah, it's this one, not the other one. But it's not giving pigment. Like if I write it on my arm, like here, will you see? It's not working. I just think I need, oh, there. Okay, maybe I just need to sharpen it more. Okay, let's try. Maybe that's gonna work now. I can hear my makeup artist friend in my head. He's like, don't be afraid to use your fingers. They are tools. It's so splotchy, I know. But like, wait lang. Trust. Trust. Okay lang. But this one is like sharper. Tandaan, sharper. Again, disclaimer. Not a makeup artist. Green yan. Mukha lang black. Para mas maging seamless lang yung, like, you know what I'm talking about? Like, para lang hindi harsh yung ano. Harsh, yung parang biglang, alam mo yung may linya-linya, ganun. Like, we don't want that. Alrighty. Okay. And then, maybe, dadagdagan natin yung, you know, the one here. We're gonna put like the lightest shade that we put a while ago. Sage. Sage. Oh, kasi very light lang siya. Okay. Parang medyo na ano lang. Oh, wow. Okay, wow. That's pretty cool. Okay, but then I need to put the thing in the middle back. Which one was it? Oh, I love it. I love it so much. I like it a lot. It's giving. Eyeliner. Yes. Eyeliner. Oh my god. I suck at eyeliner. I don't know if you can tell. It's subtle, but there is like some sort of difference. Anyway, okay, ito na, eyeliner. I suck at doing, pero try natin sa ano. Okay, waterline. To make my eyes smaller, I need to line from the top. It's so hard because I'm gonna cry. Wow, it's been like 44 minutes. That's crazy. Ang hirap talaga. Ang hirap. I winged pala the thing. So, wala pala akong ano nun. Ang winning ko, literally, just like took it out like.
I know, I remember why I have gems.
MG, I did my wing and my camera was off. But anyway, buti na lang naabutan niya pa. Okay, ito. So, it's so hard to do a wing. Like, if you're a girl, you know how hard. I don't know how Ariana does it. Like, it's not hard for you?
I've been doing it for 2 years.
Hindi daw hard for Emil. Like, it's like the reason I don't do wing. Even though I look bomb with a wing, like, diba? Like, it really like lifts my eyes. I look like a cat. I love it. But like, I can never pull it off like all the time. Pantay ba? Pantay ba? Ang hirap talaga. Is that it? Am I happy with this? Does it look green?
Yes.
Does it look green? So I'm gonna take the photo and it's super close. Can you like tell if it's like ano? What is poking my eye? Something's poking my eye. Oh, remember the powder? We're gonna take it away. Diba? I love it. Okay, and then we're just gonna smudge some of the green that we put there under, para lang may churba din under. You know. I think I did like frosty ba yung ano, yung like the eyeliner on the bottom? Was it like, yeah, I think so. Yeah, kasi I used like this silver pen on it. Yung kilay. But right now it's better, no? The eyebrows. My eyebrow game has improved. Like, yeah, dati I did my brows differently, pero basically the shape is still the same, but like the sides are like different, you know. Amazing, I love it. All right, now what? I'm gonna do lip gloss muna. So, lip therapy is important. Para hindi mag-crack yung ano, yung lipstick. Hindi pa tayo magli-lipstick kasi mag-contour pa tayo. Oh, do you remember yung foundation natin kanina? Actually, naisip ko the lighter one on my neck area also. Because it's looking a little bit crazy down there. It's like pandi-pantay the color. Powder foundation siya, so it's not translating well on the camera, but trust, it's there. Actually, I feel like since powder naman siya, diba? My gosh, like, did you see the improvement? Like, kanina, we looked so crazy because it was like so white. Cool. Shall we contour then? You're thinking, why is my contour not dark? Because I'm not super dark, diba? Can you imagine if my contour was like darker? That would be crazy. I would look crazy. Okay. It looks crazy, but trust the process. Tapos magka-highlight tayo. Pero before that, magbo-blush pa tayo. Also, I'm gonna do the thing that I love to do. Magbo-blush tayo. So I love blush because, diba? Where do you guys blush? Ako, yung blush ko pa ganito. Parang may lift, diba? Alright. Okay, next sa may nose kasi OA na. Pero yan, it's gonna stay there for a bit. We're gonna highlight. You can't see it, but trust, it's there. Ito lang yung ilalash ko. You know, kapag nighttime tapos nag-picture, most of the time, ito lang yung makikita, yung mga na-highlight. Like, biglang may ganun. Pero, ang cute. So, I like it. You cannot tell, but it's there. I don't know how you're gonna see it, but like, it's so there. Tapos, just below my brow pala. There it is. See? It's right there, diba? Cool. Cool yan pag gabi, I swear. Anyway. Trust, it's there. Hindi mo halata, pero it's there. Something is poking me in this eye. Baka may splinter na or whatever. Anyway. It's fine. If I go blind, you know na why. Okay, that's not the worst thing that's happened to my eyeball. Dati, nung naglalash ako na may glue, girl, pumasok yung glue sa eye ko. And then it dried there on my eyeball. And I'm like, oh, this is how I blind myself. And then, you know what happened? Something miraculous happened. You know, eye drops that melted it. So, I'm like, yeah. Okay, I'm a lash. Oh, actually, dito, meron akong tatlong churva. Tatlong churva. Is this too sharp? Is it gonna hurt me? No, probably not. Okay, anyway. That's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I like it a lot. So, hindi tayo magsasayang. Ah! Where did it go? Hindi tayo magsasayang and then it disappears. Oh, okay. One down! One gem lost in the void. Okay, hindi tayo magsasayang. Dito lang natin sa kabilang face ilalagay because saan na kaya napunta yung isa? Sayang naman yun. Ooh, this is gonna look so amazing on a photo. On the photo, I am sure of it. Anyway, I'm gonna only lash this side because this side is the only one I'm gonna photograph. So imagine nyo na lang meron din dito. I'm gonna highlight my number 11. Number 11, diba? Para pag may uhog. Pero hindi. Ang ganda niyan, I swear. Lalo na pagkagabi. Tapos nag-cameras. So amazing. So, I highlight that one. And then this lang. That's it. You can't see it, but just is there. Anyway, what else? Nag-brush na ba tayo? Yes. Okay, hindi ko na lalagyan ng kabilang chuchu bells dyan. Kasi nga, ito lang yung i-photograph. Anyway, guys, magli-lipstick tayo. So, dahil Pasko, let's do this. Actually, suspense. Hindi muna tayo magli-lipstick. Ang gagawin ko? Blush. So, magka-cluster tayo dun sa isa. Gawin ko na lang ba yun off-cam or gusto nyo pa rin makita? Anyway, lower lash lang. Has this ever happened to you? Of course it has. Yung nalagyan yung ilong ng ano. Right? Oh! It died! My light! Oh my god. It died, but it's fine now. It's back. Okay. Anong gagawin ko? Lash. Tapos na. Ay, hindi. Yung up. Alright. It's so chaotic. Okay. I'm gonna cluster lash. Only this side because sayang. Oh, that one won't stick. It's problematic. Perf. Just one eye. This one's, it's fine. See, do you see the difference? Can you see the lash? I mean, there we go. It's there, right? I mean, why wouldn't you believe me, right? Why? Just why wouldn't you believe me? Okay, anyway. So my hair's gonna be problematic. Diba? Kasi something's poking my eye. Okay. Anyway, lipstick. Oh, and it's matte. It's red. Oh my god, I love this so much. Why didn't I ever use this? Because red lipstick is for the night. Not for daytime. You know, anyway, that's that. And this is it. This is the look. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna take a photo and upload my profile picture. Yay!